Hello everyone, myself Sakshi. I hope you have completed question number 3 and 5th. If you have any problem, please comment. I will solve it in my next video. And now we are going to discuss the question number 6 of exercise 8.1. Today we will complete 8.1. So let's start from question number 6. If angle A and B both are acute angle and cos A is equals to cos B, it is given to you and you have to prove that angle A is equals to angle B. Then how can we solve this question? We have solved such type of question in example number 2, in which angle B and angle Q are the acute angles and cos B equals to cos Q was given, and you have to prove angle B equals to angle Q. But that angles are B and Q, and both are from different triangle, right? So here A and B is given, so I am considering one same triangle. It is angle A, B, C and D. Such type of triangle we will form, in which angle A is also acute angle B is also acute angle, and we draw a perpendicular such that CD, which make a right angle on it. Clear? Okay, now what we have to do here, it is given that cos A is equals to cos B, right? So cos A is equals to cos B. Cos A is equals to cos B. Cos A, what is the formula for the cos? Yes, what is the formula for the cos? Base upon hypotenuse? Okay, for cos A, here base is AD and the hypotenuse is AC. For angle A, the base will be AD and the hypotenuse will be AC. Is it clear? Okay. AD upon AC. Now, cos B. Okay. Cos B. For cos B, BD will be the base and BC will be the hypotenuse. Yes. From that, we will cross multiply. We can write AD upon BD is equals to AC upon BC. Okay, here what I am going to do, these both are the base of triangles, these both are hypotenuse of the triangles. Let it equals to K. So from that we can make that AD is equals to K dot BD, AC is equals to K dot BC. Fine. Now we have the base, hypotenuse. Now find the perpendicular by using the Pythagoras theorem. So by using Pythagoras theorem, what can be the perpendicular square is equals to hypotenuse square minus base square. So perpendicular, if we have to find the perpendicular CD square, ठीक है, in triangle ADC, CD square is equals to AC square minus AD square. Clear? Right? And if we talk about in triangle BCD, what will happen? CD square is equals to BC square minus BD square. From equation, let it equation 1, this one is equation number 2, equation number 3 and equation number 4, right? From equation 3 and 4, the CD square is equals to this equals to this. So from equation 3 and 4, AC square minus AD square is equals to BC square minus BD square. Is it clear? Okay, clear. Now put the values of AC and AD. AC is equals to K dot BC. K dot BC. AD is equals to K dot BD. From equation 1 and 2. Clear? Now, what can we do? K square common, BC square minus BD whole square is equals to BC square BD whole square. When we put it, K square equals to 1 because यहाँ पर ये multiplication में है, and if it will go in right hand direction, it will be divide. So BC square minus BD square upon BC square minus BD square, इधर multiply में उधर जाके क्या होगा, divide होगा. Clear? So K square is equals to 1, K is equals to 1. Put in equation 2. Okay, put in equation 2. Put in equation 2. What will happen? AC is equals to BC. Right? AC is equals to BC. So if we know that if AC is equals to BC, the angle A will equals to B because angle of triangle, और we can say ये लिख सकते हैं कि angle opposite to equal sides. It will clear way. Opposite to equal sides. You know na, the concept of isosceles triangle, it states that if two sides will be equal, then two angles will be equal. So this is applied here. Okay. So angle opposite to equal sides, so angle A equals to angle B. You can solve it in the same way. Yes, you can solve it in the same way as we solved in example number 2, or you can solve by this method also. Clear? Yeah. Yes, in example number 2, what we have done, we put the values of AC and AD here, and we applied the CD upon CD, and that will cancel out here. So you can solve it by that method also. Clear? Angle opposite to equal side. Clear? Okay. Now come to the question number 7. If cot theta is equals to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. So formula for the cot, what is it? Cot theta is equals to 7 upon 8, right? Cot theta is equals to 7 upon 8. We know the formula for the cot, and it is Pandit Badri Prasad हर हर बोले, मतलब the formula for the tan is P by B. So P by B, so for cot it will be B by P is equivalent to 7 by 8. Now we have to find the hypotenuse, because for the sine and cos we require the hypotenuse. So by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus b square, right? So perpendicular is 8, base is 7, 64 plus 49. If we will add it, it will be equals to 113. That is a hypotenuse square. Okay, clear? So if we have to find the hypotenuse, it will be root 113. So for first, we know na, a plus b and a minus b, that is equals to a square minus b square. We all know that. So here 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta minus 1 minus cos theta is equivalent to 1 minus sin square theta upon 1 minus cos square theta. Clear? ठीक है. So 1 minus sin square theta, sin, the formula for the sin is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 8, hypotenuse is root 1113. तो 8 upon root 113 square, it means 8 square upon 113 upon 1 minus cos square. Cos, formula for the cos is base upon hypotenuse. Base is 7 and hypotenuse is root 113 square. You can put the values from this way also or this way also. So we will get the 1 minus 64 upon 113, 1 minus 49 upon 113. 113 will be the LCM. So 113 minus 64 upon 113 minus 49 upon 113, it will be cancel out. We will subtract it. Okay, 13 minus 4, it's 9, and then 10 up minus 6, that is 4. Subtract. If we will subtract it, 13 minus 9, it will 4, and 10 minus 4, it will be 64. So the answer is 49 upon 64. Clear? Now the second is cot square theta. We know the value of cot theta, that is 7 by 8, square of it 49 upon 64. So we will get the same answer in both the situation. Clear? Okay, now come to the question number 8. Yes, in question number 8, if 3 cot A equals to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equals to cos square A minus sin square A. Okay, you have to solve it. और चेक करना है कि ये इसके इक्वल आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू पुट द वैल्यूज ऑफ बोथ and solve it. So cot A is equivalent to 4 by 3. क्लियर? 3 ये जो इधर मल्टीप्लाई में है इधर डिवाइड में आ जाएगा. सो cot A इक्वल्स टू 4 by 3. Now from this we have to find the value of sin and cos. So how can we find it? Just formula for the cot अभी सॉल्व किया था in our last question, b upon p, right? 4 upon 3. You have to find the hypotenuse. What we will do, apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. 4 plus 3, ये 3 है actually, perpendicular is 3, base is 4, 9 plus 16 equals to 25. So hypotenuse is equals to 5. Clear? When hypotenuse is equals to 5, you can find the cos and sin. Clear? So we have to check it. We will solve left hand side, we will solve right hand side, and say that left hand side is equals to right hand side, and it will proved. So first of all, left hand side, take left hand side. 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. You know what? The tan is the reciprocal of cot. So the value of cot will be p by b. That means 3 upon 4. So we will apply it. 1 minus 3 by 4 square upon 1 plus 3 upon 4 square. When we solve it, 1 minus 9 upon 16. 1 plus 9 upon 16. Clear? So 16 minus 9 upon 16 plus 9 upon 16. 16 to 16 will be cancel out and the answer will be 7 upon 25. Clear? Now solve right hand side. Where right hand side is cos square a minus sin square a. Clear? Cos square a minus sin square a. Is it visible or not? Cos square a, 1 second. Yes, cos square a minus sin square a. Cos square, what is the value for the cos? Formula for the cos is base upon hypotenuse. Base is 4, hypotenuse is 5. Clear? Formula for the sine, perpendicular upon hypotenuse square. Clear? 16 upon 25 minus 9 upon 25. LCM will be 25. 16 minus 9, it's equals to 7 upon 25. So from that we can say the left hand side is equal to right hand side. And so check whether these are equal or not. These both are equal. Okay, clear? Okay, now come to the question number 9. Question number 9 states that in triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is equals to 1 upon root 3, find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. You have to find the values of sin, cos C, sin A, cos A. For that, first of all, we will make a right angle triangle, right angle at B. Okay. A, B, C. Right angle at B. A is an acute angle. Tan A is given 1 upon root 3. Okay. So tan A is equals to 1 upon root 3. Tan A. What is the formula for the tan? P by B. That is 1 upon root 3. Clear? So you have to find the hypotenuse. Clear? So perpendicular, here is a perpendicular is BC, okay, and the base is AB. Clear? So find hypotenuse. Apply PT, our Pythagoras theorem. H square is equals to P square plus B square. We will put the values. So hypotenuse is equals to 2. Clear? Hypotenuse is equals to 2. Now you have to find the values and you can find it very clearly. So what we obtain BC from that, it's clear that BC is equals to, here for tan A is given, A is this, then AB is the base. Okay, so base is root 3. That means AB is root 3. BC was 1 and AC is equivalent to 2. Now you have to find the values. So put sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Okay, so sin A, for A, sin, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, perpendicular BC, hypotenuse AC. Okay, into cos C, cos and then C is this. Okay, so cos C, formula for the cos, base upon hypotenuse, base क्या होगा BC upon AC. Clear? Plus cos A, here it is base AB upon hypotenuse AC into sin C, this one is the base, perpendicular AB. Clear है? Okay, so BC upon AC square plus AB upon AC square you have to solve. And BC is 1 or AC is 2. So 1 upon 2 square plus root 3 upon 2 square. When we solve it, we will get 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4, and that is equals to 1. Clear? Is it clear? Now come to the second part of the question, that is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Clear? I am putting direct value, or we can use it. Cos A, what is equals to cos A? AB upon AC. Cos C, BC upon AC minus sin A, BC upon AC, sin C, AB upon AC. AB into BC, BC into AB, it's similar. And here AC square, what we are getting? AB dot BC upon AC square, BC dot AB upon AC square. It is the same, 0. There is no need to put the values also. Clear? I hope it is clear. I am telling again, if you have any problem in any question, please comment. I will explain it again in my next video. Thank you. Now question number 10. Okay. Question number 10. It states that in triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PR plus QR is equals to 25 centimeter and PQ is equals to 5 centimeter. You have to find the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. It is similar to the example number 5. So PQ is given. PQR, right angle at Q. PQ is given, that is 5 centimeter. PQ is given, it is 5 centimeter. Okay, now PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeters. Just like the example, you can solve it. Still I am doing it. Okay, so PR plus QR is equals to 25 centimeter. It's very simple. It sin P, cos P and tan P, हमें इन तीनों की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. ओके, so for that we have require we want a perpendicular base and hypotenuse. If perpendicular base and hypotenuse, अगर ये तीनों ही अपने को मिल जाए, then it will be very easy to find the values, right? So PR plus QR is equals to 25 centimeter. So PR is equal to 25 minus QR. Question number 1. Clear? It is a hypotenuse. It is equivalent to 25 minus QR. And base is given as a 5 centimeter. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is PR square is equals to perpendicular QR square plus PQ square. Okay, now PR, put the values of PR. PR is 25 minus QR square. It is equals to QR square plus PQ square, that is equals to 25. Okay, now solve it. We know that A minus B whole square is equals to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Apply it here. Yes, apply it here. Square of 25, 625. Clear? Minus 50 QR plus QR square, clear, is equivalent to QR square plus 25. QR square cancel out, will be cancel out, and the 625 minus 50 QR is equals to 25. We'll take it from this 50 QR, we will take it in the right direction, 25 in this direction. 625 minus 25 is equals to 50 QR, 600 upon 50 QR. So QR will be equals to 600 upon 50, cut it 1 to 12. The QR is equals to 12 centimeter. From equation number 1, PR is equals to 25 minus 12, that is 13 centimeter. Clear? Now sin P perpendicular upon hypotenuse 12 upon 13, cos P base upon hypotenuse upon 13, tan P perpendicular upon base 12 upon 5. Clear? Okay, now come to the question number 11. Question number 11 is true false, in which first the value of tan A is always less than 1. The value of tan A is always less than 1. कैसे पता लगेगा? Okay, what is the formula for the tan? Tell me, what is the formula for the tan? Formula for the tan is tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. Okay, less than 1. You know what? If there is a rational number, if numerator is greater than denominator, the answer will be greater than 1. Clear? And if the numerator is less than denominator, the answer is less than 1. Okay, I am talking that if numerator is greater than denominator, answer will be greater than 1. Okay, if the numerator is less than denominator, answer will be less than 1. ठीक है, so perpendicular and base, it's not fixed that perpendicular is always less than base. It's not fixed. Okay, if you want the answer is less than 1, that means numerator must be less than denominator. It means perpendicular must be less than base, but it's not necessary, it's not compulsory that base will always greater than perpendicular. No, so false. First one will be false. Clear? First is false. Clear? Second, sec A is equals to 12 upon 5 for some values of angle A. Okay, what is the formula for the sec? Sec theta is equivalent to hypotenuse upon base. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible, because hypotenuse is greater than base. It's always, hypotenuse will be always greater than the base and the perpendicular. We know that hypotenuse will be largest side of the triangle. So of 12 upon 5, it is possible. Yes, you can find it. Okay, true. Question number 3. Cos A is abbreviation of cosecant of angle A. You know that in my first video of this chapter, I clearly defined that the abbreviation of cosecant is cosec. Cos is the abbreviation of cosine, right? So it's false. Question number 4. cot A is product of cot and A? No, it is not possible. Okay, so it is a false. Fifth, sin theta is equals to 4/3 for some angle theta. Okay, formula for sin theta, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. क्या परपेंडिकुलर हाइपोटेनियस से बड़ी हो सकती है? नो, नॉट पॉसिबल. हाइपोटेनियस हमेशा बड़ी होगी. हाइपोटेनियस विल बी लार्जर देन द परपेंडिकुलर. इट कांट बी लेस देन परपेंडिकुलर. सो it is not possible. It falls. Clear? So basically from this way you can find true and false. Clear? 8.1 complete we. Now I am telling again, if you have any problem, please comment. If you like it, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.